Today I got a shipment from ZZPerformance. So I'm real excited for all this. Let's get it unboxed and let's hit the intro. All right, let's see what's inside. She's a big box. Well packaged, I must say. My name showing on here. Ooh, what did they give me? Oh man, they gave me a sticker. What the heck? Looks like it's missing an R. Okay. Want some paper there, Kurt? No? You don't want any paper to play with? Look at all the paper. Oh, Kitty wants some paper. It's funny, usually the shop hound loves to play around in the paper. Oh, she's coming around. There she goes. There you go. Run off with it. Woo. So much paper. All right, here is item number one. Oh, get that in frame. There's part number 3800 CRMTA-B. These are the ZZPerformance chromoly tubular lateral links. Lateral links, what the hell are they called? Stabilizer links. I always call them lateral links. They're called trailing arms. Yeah, trailing arms. Duh. Whew. So much paper, so much cardboard in here. Holy sheep shit. Okay, what's on? Oh, this is heavy. Ooh, that's heavy. Whoa, baby. I don't know that I want to set this on the hood of my car. Ooh. Ooh. Good Lord, man, she's sliding. I got to hold on to this. She's sliding out the hood. Ooh, we can get this in shot here. This is the ZZP front sway bar. It sucks you can't get it in black. But this is 34 millimeter solid. Comes with new end links and new bushings. I haven't purchased them yet, but I'm gonna get the Moog end links and or Moog chassis. Losing my train of thought here. The bushings, and then they have another set. They're blue. They're like polyurethane. I'm gonna get those. They're only like $20 a set. And then let's just, before that slides off the car. Whoa, baby, here she is. Holy hell. That is the rear sway bar. Ooh. I don't know if you can see how big that sucker is. 25 millimeter rear bar, and it's adjustable. Let's take a peek at that. Ooh, look at that. And this has bush. Yeah, it's got bushings. Yeah, it's got bushings in the middle there. Ooh, all right, I'm gonna struggle to get that out of the box. Let's take a pause here. There she is, that 25 millimeter rear bar. It's got the bushings right here. Thing that sucks is ZZP does not sell polyurethane bushings for the rear. They did for their old bar. Their old bar was 18 millimeter. The new one's 25. I suggest if you want to get one of these front sway bars, front sway bar was 99 bucks. The rear one, I think, was 129. Let me fold this over so you don't see my name. Oh, it doesn't show the price. I'll flash the prices on the screen. I think this was 129, that was 99, and I think the tubular arms were 99 as well. Also, in a separate order, I'm going to get the solid sway bar end links to go on the back, and then those Moog front bushings. That's going to be another order. So I'm going to break this down into 3 videos. We'll do the trailing arms in one video. I'm going to do a 2-for-1 for the strut tower braces, the front sway bars, because I bought one for this car about a year ago. I got it sitting back over here. Yeah, I got it sitting right here. Got I think it was a $79 one from Rock Auto. I got to replace the one on this car. So I got a feeling that the 3500, we're going to need to either pull a tie rod in or we're going to have to drop the cradle. I was told that it's possible with this 3.6 that you can get the sway bar out without removing a tie rod or without dropping the cradle. So we'll see how that goes. Plan for the worst, hope for the best. All right, so I'm gonna put these away. The other reason was I wanted to show off my merch. I don't know if I'm gonna open a store. But I got these, I don't know, this hat's kind of, it is what it is. It's what the hell do they call it, a dad cap? Kind of looks like a dad cap. Thinking of maybe trying to get a trucker cap. Pretty cool. I'm thinking of opening a Shopify store, perhaps. If you think that'd be a good idea, let me know. Give me a thumbs up if you think so. Yeah, just kind of a little precursor of what I'm going to be doing here. Yeah, like I said, I'm going to break it up into 3 different videos, and we'll be seeing that soon. So anyway, thanks for checking me out. A little quick video. It's spring, finally. Gonna start getting some work done. I got this car. I got a whole bunch of shit up on the shelves up there. We're gonna be doing the cert belt on here. I'm gonna do a tune-up, plugs and wires, radiator hoses. I'm gonna do a transmission flush in the driveway. What else I got planned for this thing? I think it's all that's springing to mind right now. I gotta dig back through all them parts I bought last year that I never got around to doing. This car I'm gonna be doing. Oh yeah, here we go. I got the amp. It is in this box somewhere. I bought some ferrules, whatever, for the wires. I got a wiring kit. Where is that amp? Buried in the bottom of this thing. Anyways, I got that Rockford Fosgate amp. Oh yeah, I got a auto stop start bypass for the Cruze. That it was 20 bucks. I don't know if this thing's gonna work, but so yeah, I'll dig that amp out some other time. Maybe I'll dig it out now. I'll be right back. Let's just empty out this box. Auto start bypass. This is gonna go to the auxiliary fuse box. It's a fuse. Oh, I got my. This is for the fuse control. Here's the wiring kit for the amp. Not using this. I'll explain some other time. Butt splices. I got RCAs in this one, and this is a 12 gauge kit. I might be using those wires. This is an 8 gauge. And oh, here we go. Here's the amp. got some solid gold terminals. Here is that Fosgate amp. This is going to go in place of my Bose amp. I'm going to be scrapping that. I haven't even unwrapped this thing yet. So I'll be telling you all about this as soon as I, here we go. It'll be in an upcoming video. So I'm gonna put all this away. Got the whiny dog back in the house. So we'll catch you soon. Peace out.